Hey guys, welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. Now I'm solving problem 637, average of levels in the binary tree. So what we need to do is, given the root of a binary tree, return the average value of the nodes on each level in the form of an array. Answer within 10 to the power of minus 5 of the actual answer will be accepted. So if we have this tree over here, we need to return 3, because 3 divided by 1 is 3. 29 divided by 2, and then 15 plus 7, which is 22 divided by 2. So output. So yeah, that's the thing. So one way we can do this, like the most basic way, is let's just get all of the values in a list. And paired to the values, we'll have the level that it belongs to. And we can just do that. That's it. So all values is an empty list. So to add is nothing. So to add is actually root. To inspect, let's call it to inspect. We start to inspect this one, and we say, hey, and let's do it as a tuple of level 0, and then the actual tree node object. So while to inspect, we do current node equals to inspect dot pop. Let's pop 0. Pop the first position, not the last one. Defaults to the last one, but let's just pop the first. So current node, if current node is none. Actually, let's do level current node. If current node is none, continue. Else, we say all vals dot. Actually, we can do it by, I can create a dictionary, and we can say if level not in all vals.keys, then let me move my webcam. Then all vals of level equals empty list, and then we can do all vals of level dot append current dot append, and then we append a tuple, which is the level and the current node. Okay, not current node. Current node dot val. And then at the end, we just need to add to inspect dot append current node dot left, and then current node dot right. At the end, we should have like all the vals here, so I can do for index in all vals dot keys return values is a list of integers, so return values dot append sum of all vals of index. Return values. Let's submit this. See if it works. Cannot unpack non-iterable tree node object. Why not? Oh, oh yeah, I need to add level plus 1, because this needs to be a tuple. level plus 1. Unsupported operand, return values for int and tuple. Oh, okay. Return values. Append. Oh no, the values, I'm just appending the current node.val. I'm not appending the level. Silly me. Oh yeah, I need to do the sum divided by the length of the values itself. Submit. Okay, it worked. So it got accepted. Time was not so good. Memory was actually good. Maybe there could be ways to improve this. Actually, there are ways to improve it. Instead of saving all the values of a level, we can just save one, and then when we add another, we just do the average. We add another one, we do the average of both, and we don't need to do a sum in the end and then a big division. That will improve performance. Let's just submit again, see if the things improve. Yeah, time improved, memory did not. Well, but I'm happy, it works. Hope you guys like it.